education.
In this video,
We are going to discuss about
keyboard, types of keys and their functions. So let's start. First of all, we will know when and who invented the keyboard. In the 18th century, Christopher Latham Scholz invented the keyboard. Now we will know what is a keyboard. As to write on a paper, you need a pencil. In the same way, you need keyboard to write on a computer screen. Look at the picture of keyboard. The keyboard is the main part of our computer. It looks like a typewriter. A standard keyboard is often known as QWERTY keyboard because the first 6 keys on the top row of the alphabet keys on the keyboard is QWERTY. Nowadays, wireless or cordless keyboard is also available. It is an input device. A normal keyboard mainly has 101 to 108 keys. It is used to feed data into the computer in the form of text and numbers. When you press any key of a keyboard, it gets displayed on the monitor screen. Now we will know types of keys on a keyboard. A keyboard has different sets of keys on it: alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, special keys. Let's understand about each keys one by one. First, alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are marked with the letters of English alphabet are called alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are 26 in number. These are from A to Z. These keys are not arranged in an alphabetical order. These keys are located in the middle of the keyboard. These keys are used to type words, sentences or paragraphs using alphabet. For example, to type computer, you will press COMPUTER. Next, number keys. Number keys are 10 in number. These are from 0 to 9. These are two sets of number keys present on a keyboard. One is above the alphabet keys and the other is at the middle right corner of a keyboard, and it is called numeric keypad or numpad. These keys are used to type numbers like your telephone number, math tables, counting, etc. For example, to type 145, you can press these numbers 145. Next, function keys. There are 12 function keys. They are marked with from F1 to F12. This is the topmost row on the keyboard. Function keys are used to perform special tasks. For example, it is used to refresh the page. Next, arrow keys. There are 4 keys at the right hand side of a keyboard and are marked with arrow signs. They are called arrow keys. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys as they control the movement monitor. There are 4 arrow keys: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor right. Next, special keys. There are many special keys. They are also used for special functions. The important special keys are caps lock key, enter key or return key, spacebar key, backspace key, delete key, symbol keys, shift key. Let's learn to use these keys. First, caps lock key. Caps lock key is located at the left side of the alphabet keys. It is used to get the alphabet in capital or small. It is a toggle key. That means if the caps lock is on, it will type capital letters, and if it is off, it will type small letters. Next, enter key or return key. It is used to shift the cursor to the next line while typing. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. It is also known as command key. All the instructions are carried out by the computer when the enter key is pressed. Next, spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between the letters or the words. For example, to type ice cream, you press spacebar key after typing ice. Next, backspace key. It is used to erase that is typed on the left side of the cursor. By simply pressing the backspace key, we can erase anything. It works like an eraser on the computer screen. Next, delete key. It is also used to erase the character but on the right side of the cursor. You can also delete selected text and graphics. You can also call it del key. Next, shift key. There are 2 shift keys on a keyboard. It has 2 functions to perform. One is to type uppercase letters. Second is to type the symbols marked above number keys and other keys. Next, symbol keys. They are marked with different symbols on them. Number keys also contain various symbols along with numbers. To type the symbol on a number key, you have to press and hold the shift key first. Guys, in this video, we have understood about keyboard, types of keys and their functions. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video. If you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.